So how was school today?
It was good.
I heard Natsumi from next door got her grades. Did they release it for you too?
No.
You know they're always available on my phone. I'll just take a look.
Hello, Fuemi. Shouldn't you be out in the courtyard?
Yes, but my grades are down and I've noticed that this class is to blame. What can I do to raise it?
Well, I've been getting many requests from students about this. I don't blame you. This class is very difficult. Luckily, I have a really good method from that program upstairs. So let's get started.
Can I get some apple?
When your grade goes up,
It has.
really, I don't believe you.